Hey feds, in one of the recent workshops we did, we were talking about those interim checks. And the interim check is when you retire, but your pension hasn't been fully adjudicated. Your retirement hasn't been fully adjudicated. And so that could take months, many months. During that time, you get what's called an interim pension check. And the question was, are deductions and taxes and other things taken out of that interim pension check? Because the interim pension check is only between 40 to 60% of what you deserve. And so, what is taken out of that? It's a great question, and it's not what you would think. Really, everything, we'll say they don't do it like normal. So I'm not going to dive into the weeds of how it's actually done, but I do want to mention that there are some things that are not taken out of this interim pension check. Number one, state taxes. State taxes you're going to actually have to pay on your own. Number two is dental and vision. And number three is long-term care, if you have that, which very few people do. So there are a few things that you're actually going to have to pay out of pocket on top of not getting a full pension check. Not a lot of fun, but it is what it is. And that's why it's so important to prepare for that, especially that first year, because it's a mess. But you want to make sure you have it all there and set and ready to go when you retire.